Hello guys, welcome to a new video of...
Yo.
I mean,
We're the rooftop guys.
Yeah, rooftop guys. Easy. What country? Finland.
Yeah, Finland.
Bro, what is...
Yes.
I wanna be Guatemala or Fiji.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, first, I think we're gonna go here.
I think we do gotta go over here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we got the shit. We got the shit, bro.
Yo, I turned red. It's not turning red. Turned red.
Give me a second. Shift lock on.
You grab an energy bar.
Where?
Right here, you dummy.
I am a dummy, but like, alright, let's go.
What? This looks like Africa.
I don't know, this looks like South Africa to me, bro.
Yeah, totally.
South Africa, yes, I don't know how that looks like, I just know that it's a country and it's in Africa. That guy is from Australia, why is he not upside down? His internet is trash. Oi mate, I just want a cup of tea.
Hey yo guys, excuse us if we're racist, we're just black.
What does that mean? What does that mean? That was not in the script, my guy. This is... Bro, you are not going with the script, my guy. This is the Mike Tyson and Jake Pull fight.
Oh, sorry man. So we are not black indeed. We are...
Okay, just ignore. We are going in the cave right now.
Okay, what the heck?
Royal Ascent? I want to go to Royal.
Bro, we can't go in. This is stupid.
This game is trash. I want to play another game. I want to play Destroy the Ship.
What the heck?
No, I want to be
Okay, what the heck is the... I don't get it. Okay.
What do you not get about this, bro? It's a game where we go to... Oh no, I'm gonna die. Help me.
Bro, Linga.
Okay, call the FBI or something.
Yo.
I just got supplies. Oh my god. We pop out at 1 in the morning.
Okay, it's gonna be easy, bro. If you okay, good.
I'm a good player in Bloxfruit, so I don't know how to do this.
Pop out at 1 in the morning.
Bro,
Oh my god!
If you fall, you're gay. Actually, I'm gonna fall right now. Bro, Bacon, do not call me.
No, don't call.
Bro, Bacon, why did you... Bro,
Oh my God.
Bacon joined! What the hell, man?
Okay,
Bacon,
I don't know what...
Bacon, I have one word if you're watching this video. Fuck you.
Heck yeah. Oh my god.
We are going east right now. Southeast, south. Which way are we going right now? Alright, we're going southeast. South?
What did I say? What did I say?
Except you're welcome.
Oh,
The sun and the skies. Hey, it's okay.
if there's actually watching this...
I don't think we're going to the right
Crappy.
side. I don't think we're going to the right side. Actually, we are. Yeah, don't worry. There's ladders.
Oh my god. Oh!
Bro, it's not
Actually,
that. It's not that
If someone watches our crappy video, please drop in the comments what we should play next.
hard. Yes, please make us play.
Oh my god! Oh, I almost just fell 2 times. Oh
Bro,
my god.
that just means
Yo,
you're American.
Look how good I am. I am a ballerina.
You're a ballerina? Oh hell no, that's from Fortnite.
Yo, look. it's a camp.
No, we can't go to advanced. I hate this game.
That's what I think about you.
I was not looking at my screen, so I almost popped out.
Oh my god! Oh.
It's not even that hard, bro. Why?
Oh.
You're so
Bro, I
trash.
think
Bro, 360! Oh. Shit. Look at me right now. You will never find me.
Do we need to play this game?
No, I don't like this game.